Blessings, 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 blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring, little is much with all in it. Today we are cooking brown stew pork, Jamaican brown stew pork. Let's begin. I'm gonna season the meat and leave it for 2 hours. So I'm just pressing the garlic. Mashing the scallion. Bring out the juices and the flavor of the scallion. These were the olden days. Oh yeah, when you mash the scallion with the bottle. Put it in the pork with the onion. With the, not onion, garlic. I just put it in there with all the garlic. Cutting up the onions. Adding the onions to the pan, adding the thyme, the garlic powder, onion powder, the salt, some small amount of salt. Two tablespoons of green seasoning. That's a serving spoon I'm using, so that's 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna massage the meat. So we have our garlic, our onion. Oh, we just need some black pepper. I'll add some black pepper to it. Add in half a teaspoon of black pepper. Retain 1 inch of ginger. Just a piece of a half of scotch bonnet pepper. Massaging the meat. And you can put it to marinate overnight is best, but I'm just gonna marinate it for 2 hours. Get all that flavor in. Two hours now. Put your oil in the pot. Not a lot because the pork has fat on it. Place your pork in the pot for frying. And just remove the scallions and the seasoning. And just place the pork in the pot for frying. Just place them in the pot. Just searing all the juices. Wow, it's looking so good. Searing all the juices and giving it a brown color. Now that it's brown, I'm gonna just add some boiling water to it. Put your season in the pot now. Put the scallion and the thyme and the garlic in the pot. I'm gonna add some Mrs. Dash to the pot. Some Maggi seasoning to the pot. Some basil. My grandmother always called this basil. Basil. And I'm gonna add some complete seasoning to the pot. Tablespoon complete seasoning to the pot. You'll find the recipe in the description box. And I'm just gonna let this slow cook. I'm gonna add some more water and just let it slow cook. I check on it every 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes now. I'm checking the pot. Smelling up the place, smelling up the place. I'm gonna just add small amount of water to it. And when I come back, I'm gonna add some carrots in 20 minutes time. Just gonna taste a piece to make sure it's cooking. It's cooking. It's not quite there yet, but I'm gonna add the carrot. It's 20 minutes now and I'm gonna add the carrot to it. It should be ready in another 10 minutes. I'm just gonna 10-15 minutes. I'm just gonna add the carrot to it. Wow. It's all finished. Now let me try it. It took 1 hour and 15 minutes, 1 hour and 15 minutes to cook. So let me try a piece of it. I'm gonna serve it with some boiled banana and some cabbage. I like stew pork with boiled banana. Young boiled banana, not the tough boiled banana, young ones. And the skin is cooked, everything is cooked. Delicious. That's good. Let me plate it. There you have it, family, the stew pork, the brown stew pork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming video. Bye. Wish you all the best.